Hey guys, it's Eric with Dojo Audio Visual. I'm here to tell you about the system that we installed for the Jim Thorpe Multicultural Center. So when you come in to use the system, it'll be in the rack like this. You will need the key. So whoever has the key, you'll unlock the rack. It's already unlocked. Then you'll have to pull this little lever down. This pops out. You can turn that, and then you can pull the door open. Okay? That's it. So then I'm going to want to turn on the main system, which is just this power button up at the top. So I turn that on. My processor unit will kick on. It gives it a couple seconds. My microphones will come on, and my other devices in here are all on. Okay? So that's all set. Then we're going to use the speaker system. So we're going to come over to the side right here, and there is a switch. This turns on the speakers that are overhead. The speakers overhead have a light on the front of them. If the light is not on, then the speakers are not on. So that's an easy way to know if you forgot to do that step. If you want to use the projector, you can send the screen down or up again once you're done. But just send the screen down, and you will have to turn the projector on with the remote, which will be located right here in the rack. This button at the very top, the red button that says on, is the on button. You point it at the front of the projector, and that's how you turn the projector on. It'll be ready to go. When I want to use a microphone, I grab one of the microphones here, and there is a little red button on the very bottom. I hold that in for just a couple seconds, and the microphone turns on, and then I can use the microphone. And I have 3 microphones here. They're all labeled correspondingly, so you know which one you're using here. And the processor takes care of making all of that happen. If I just want to play music via phone or something like that, there is an 1/8" connector, which may fall down here, but it's just located under here. You can plug that into any phone or iPod, any kind of device like that, and play a song, whatever you want to play, and the volume is adjusted by the level on your phone. So that's how that works. Super easy. When you want to use a computer, you have this shelf you can put your laptop on, plug it into an HDMI, and it will play whatever you have. So if you have a video like this one I have, and I push play,
all together,
it's going to play
group all the instruments together.
The audio from that video and the video to the projector. That's it for that, as far as that goes. So that's real simple. There is also another option for projecting, displaying computer, and that is a wireless connection called WePresent. And on a do WePresent, you're going to need to use this selector here and over here and select it on input number 2. That switches the projector over to the WePresent input. And then you can display slideshows or things like that from a podium or something without having a long cord stretched across the room. Now I'm going to show you real quickly on the iPad how to do that. There is a little app that you will need called Mirror OP. If I'm going to do the wireless setup, Mirror OP is the app that you will use. First thing that you have to do is you have to connect to the WePresent on your Wi-Fi setting, because it broadcasts the signal over Wi-Fi. So on my Wi-Fi setting, I'm going to select WePresent, and I'm going to connect to that device. There's not a passcode on that. With opening my Mirror OP app, I have these settings. After I've connected over Wi-Fi to WePresent, I can select, like right here, this is my photos, so I can select that option, and I can pick from my camera roll in here, and I can pick a random photo there. I'm going to pick that photo, and I hit play. Then it says that's the unit I want to connect, the WePresent unit. And then I enter the code, the random code that will be up on the screen. Okay, and this time it is 2, 5, 5, 7. I check mark, and then it will start displaying my photo. I can scroll through to the next photo, and it's going to show that on the screen. That's how easy it is to use this system here. There are also apps for Android, iPhone, and PC and Mac that you can use and work very similarly. So that's pretty much it, the basics of this system. Now, when I'm done with my system, I want to turn everything off in the reverse order that I started here. So what I want to do, the first thing I want to do when I'm done is I want to walk back over here, turn off my speakers, and I can send my screen up right there. And then I can turn the master power off to all these devices in the rack, lock everything away, and we're ready to go. So that's it for the system at Jim Thorpe Multicultural Center. Thanks, guys.